Hey YouTube, y'all, what's going on? I had to come in here and share with you guys this ring light that I found. Well, actually, I didn't find it. The seller that's on Amazon contacted me about doing a review. And y'all, let me tell y'all, this is a 14-inch ring light. And y'all, it is bright. It has its own settings. It comes with a knob for the phone, as well as this comes off. You can slide this off and you can slide in a boot for your camera. And I just thought this was super nice. And it's on a little toggle head. Y'all see this? That kind of, it goes up and down where you can move the camera. And y'all, when I was putting this together, I'll insert a video so y'all can see it, okay? I'll put a video in of me unboxing this. But look at this. You can move the head any kind of way, any kind of height that you need to. Now, I did plug it up in the video. I won't put this bright light. Well, I don't know if y'all want to see it. I'm going to tell you, this light was so much cheaper. When I looked on the site, I think it's like $79. Way cheaper than my Viva ring light. Look at this. That light is bright. Can y'all see that? And then you can dim it. You can make it more yellow to give you a more, oh wait, let me lock this back. I don't want to mess that up. And it's really sturdy too. Can y'all see? I don't want to blind you with too much light, but you can turn it to daylight light. Or you can make it like sunlight. That's what I said. It looks like sunlight to me. Or blue, orange. That is just, I like that. I'm just looking at my monitor to see the colors that I keep changing to. I like this light. This light is really worth it. And for me, I think I'm going to use this light instead of in my videos, because I have two soft box lights. I have the Diva ring light and a regular ring light that I bought a couple of years ago. And now this, I think I could use this more so for showing you guys stuff. And I like this. I like this. If y'all want to see the specs ins and out or the unboxing of this light, y'all, and I put the information below. It's you know what? I didn't show you. Hold on. Let me grab something. Let me grab this right here. This is an awesome little light. Awesome. You can change the settings. Make it as bright as you want. Or as dim as you want. You can change the color to have it yellow, as far as red as you want, or a daylight light. It is in here now. Turn the light on. Make it daylight light. Look how bright that is. This is how it came. This is the little bag that came with it. And in the bag, talking too fast, there's a shoe for your camera. If you want to put your camera in the middle. And y'all, this light here is just on the side of me. And I'm just tripping because I'm just noticing how it's affecting the quality of the video. Can y'all see that? Look at how I like this light. I might have to, okay, let me quit talking so much. I'm going to have to figure out what I want to do with that light. Yeah, anyway. And it came with this so you can have your phone, if you want to use your phone to record with it. Along with this really sturdy stand. It's really sturdy. And you can set the side, see where it says Zomei? The settings, the way that you want to set it. Yeah, that's neat. I like that. I really, really like that. I like that. And then you get this bag. If you want to take it with you or transport it with you, you got a nice bag with little pockets. And yes, it has a ring diffuser, a ring light diffuser if you so need it. But the way those colors change, I really love this. I really love this. I think I might look into getting one in an 18-inch. And the thing about, I'm always worried about my, I'm trying to turn this off. I'm always worried about my bulb breaking. But if y'all see that, this is a hard plastic outer shell. And if I turn it on a little bit, you can see it's a lot of little mini lights in there. I like this. I really like this light. Okay guys, let me quit talking so I can edit this video and get it up so you guys can see it and check it out. Again, this is the company. Zomei. I think they have an 18-inch, 14-inch. I think they even have a smaller one, a 12 or 10-inch for a desk light or something. But yeah, I'll put the information down below. Okay, y'all. Let me get out of here. I don't want to talk forever. Stay tuned if you want to see the unboxing part of this video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay blessed, y'all. Bye.